Side note, if you're not into boats, don't watch that episode, just skip it, watch tomorrow. There's a lot of boats going on in that episode. And we're out! What the hell is this?
So this is the welcome sign at the Super 8. Does it look familiar? Pierre, does it look familiar to you?
Who is it?
Are we
Oh
Game
no!
of Thrones anyone? So funny.
Good morning, good evening and good afternoon. I hope you're having an amazing time no matter where you are in this world.
In this new episode of Trina and Pierre are going to the Annapolis annual sailboat show.
There is something I really wanted since I came to the US. I know it sounds really weird, but I really wanted that experience of the, you know, the highway motel. And I think we got it. It's we're lucky, it's decent and it was clean. But so yeah, we stayed at Super 8 Motel
In Joba.
In Joba, middle of nowhere, but it sounds
Maryland.
so like traditional American to do. I don't know, maybe I'm completely wrong, but anyway.
You'd love him too.
I'm trying to help Pierre out with his recording on the road trip. But I stopped. We're here in Annapolis.
Alright, we made it. We went to Annapolis by car, but then after we had to exit because the parking is really far out for the show. But I'm getting my full American experience because I'm also having the yellow school bus that's gonna shuttle us back to the show. That's so cool. Motel, school bus, everything. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
And we made it. Let's go find our boat now. There's so much space on the Catamarans, but I don't know how well it handles in open waters, but it's like really luxurious. Like you have so much deck space, it's awesome, and yeah, I really like it. 42. Whoa, that one looks nice. 54 feet.
It's raining right now, but we're in front of Hans. This is one of my favorite boat makers from Germany. So this is the boat that I have on my office wall. If you see a picture of that, it's this brand. It's awesome.
And it's that boat. What do you think of that one, Trina?
I think the price is better than the other ones though.
But space-wise?
Space-wise, a little bit more lumosity in the other ones.
Feet. And here. We're at the boat show, but the weather is so bad right now. Rainy.
Hey guys, we're soaked in wet.
But we got a boat.
We found it.
I wish we could stay all night long at the Hendrix bar. Alright guys, we are back at the car. The show is over. The rain stopped.
Stopped when it's over. Yeah, when the show's over.
How are your feet, Trina?
They're pretty wet. I think they're soaked, but it's okay. We're gonna hop back in the car. We have about a 3.5 hour drive back to Newark.
Yeah, and then we have to get from Newark back to Brooklyn. We don't know how long it's gonna be.
That's gonna be the most difficult part of the journey, unfortunately, or ironically, yeah.
Whoops. Enjoy guys, see you around.